Buongiorno, this is Julien, the guy who makes pronunciation videos here on YouTube, and we are looking at how to pronounce the name of this Italian manufacturer of children's equipment, clothing and toys. Famously, they make some great strollers, for example, for babies and beds and all sorts of things. Now remember, this is an Italian brand. If this was Spanish, yes, it would be pronounced Chicco. But this is Italian, and some people may argue that you want to pronounce this brand Chicco, but because this is Italian, CH in Italian is not pronounced like CH in English, it is pronounced like a K, and double C is also pronounced like a K. So essentially this is pronounced Chicco, Chicco, Chicco. If anyone argues otherwise, just tell them, hey, this is an Italian brand and it has to be pronounced Chicco. At least that's the original pronunciation of the brand in the country the brand comes from. Chicco, Chicco. That's all. See you soon in the wonderful world of pronunciation. Ciao, ciao.